Locate the vehicle's BCM under the driver's side dash. No panels need to be removed. This is the BCM, where we will be connecting our T-harness to. Disconnect the 3 connectors at the BCM by pressing on the tab, the white, blue, and green. Connect the matching connector from the T-harness to each connector removed from the BCM. Make sure you hear that click. If it's not fully connected, you may have all sorts of problems. Press down on the emergency brake just to get a little bit more access. Connect each connector from the T-harness back to the BCM. Again, make sure you hear that click. It can only go one way in, it's not possible to connect it the wrong way.